And we're in, boys. I'll turn my threshold down.
You gotta figure out how to get it to record everyone's voice, man.
I think I got it now. We'll see after this, though.
Battle Royale.
We shall see.
You'll lead them in.
Options.
Be advised, gas
We shall see indeed.
safe zone.
Cause there was a firefight!
It was a firefight! Should I wait a second?
You sound like you were about to sing the Graveyard Mash with that accent.
It was a graveyard. It was a monster mash. A monster mash. It was a graveyard smash. Daddy's working right now. Training.
Hostile dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Got dropping in with us?
I don't think anyone dropped in with us.
That's what it says. An hostile dropping in. Watch the skies. I'm just telling you what I hear. The toxicity of our city. Let's see what this is. Oh, saw that.
Found a sniper rifle.
Where are they? See anybody? Hear anybody? Seven.
Ooh, I got doors over here, open in the hangar area.
Really? Okay. That's probably where they're at. Over there. Oh man, this is really slowing down my game here. Han, please don't yell at me right now. Oh, there's people getting those AFK kills behind us. Whoa! They shooting at you?
No, it sounded close though, didn't it?
Yeah. Murphy! There we go. That worked. I don't see anything at the tower. There's another stall over here if you want it.
I'm alright right now. I got a gold vector and a ram.
She's crying at the TV. Oh, there's one of the big blue saws over here too. The cheater ones. When Bob's away. Man, I haven't seen anybody. Oh, boneyard. Yeah.
Just inbound. Contact.
Looks like a symbol. I don't see anybody with him. They're running away though. Yeah, they're going the other way. Ooh. Storage down. Yeah, we're gonna have to get one of those two computers set up.
Riveting stream coming out of you right now.
Do what?
You have such an action-packed, riveting stream at the moment.
No. Still hardware, software testing. Oh, this guy's coming back.
Contact.
You say I can't take him out from this far away? Is that what you said? Going in this building.
Moving. Disregard last.
Better not go on the roof.
definitely people in that building.
Oh, yeah? Prove it. Oh, guys moving from storage down that way, too.
Enemies in the area! Disregard lost.
Light
Contact!
ping. 2 light pings.
Contact!
About to be a fight in there.
I feel like I need to jump and go up the hill. Oh, I have one of these, too.
Someone just spotted a care pack right there.
Mark out, I'm going.
Forgot about my spotter scope, man. I think she's singing. Nothing in the woods. Nothing moving around a village. Does everybody have loadouts already?
Okay, go on there.
There's one on the roof up there.
Is there? I'm looking.
He's on the roof.
Contact!
Oh, over there. I was looking at the big hanger. Yeah, I see him over there.
Contact!
See what's going on here first. There he is. Oh, he's got a loadout already. He's got a ghost or something. Go check the big hanger. There's a single in the backside of hanger. Two in the backside of hanger. There's one. Got him. We're in the backside. Right here.
Enemies in the area!
They saw my recon drone and freaked out. Yeah, they're running north. Went around the corner. I'm gonna just drop out over towards you. Can't see where they went over there. We got high ground from you still. We got 10 seconds till our loadout. Riveting string. Is that our fault that everybody's just staying away from us? I mean, I think it just makes us better.
Friendly loadout drop
Uh-oh.
on the way.
Oh, there's one that landed right next to ours. It's gotta be those two, right?
Gas is closing in.
Sure
Relocation
you
to
look to your
safe
left?
zone.
They're just to your left.
Oh shit.
What?
Peekaboo. They're pushing me.
I don't see him. Oh, I see him. He's right next to you, right next to you. Where's the other one? Come my way, come my way. I can't see him.
I don't know where he's at.
Okay. You might be okay then. Come over to the loadout. Oh man. Game's glitching. Oh! Okay, coming towards you. Should be okay. Get the loadout. I'm gonna keep looking that way for you. I don't see anything right now. Go ahead, you're okay. I will let you know if I see something.
Losing ground.
Get that shit and then we'll turn around and go up the hill. Ready? Moving up.
Moving!
Oh, taking shots. Real close. Cracked him. Damn it.
Yeah.
Good job, bud.
Huh? Yeah, make a list. Right, yeah. Don't worry, little guy, I gotcha.
That was it. And this screen recording is just messing up my frame rate. It's okay though. Still better than Xbox. Oh, never mind. It's propellers. I'm gonna go a little bit further north and uphill. I can look over this ridge line. Or maybe come this way. If you're looking to the south.
Contact!
Ooh. Which way's to stand over there? The same guy that's been up there the whole time. Oh, there's two guys up there.
Copy that. Copy that.
Act them?
Good shots, yes. They ran back inside. They ran down the stairs.
Contact!
They charging?
No, there's someone else pushing. They're about to fight someone.
Okay. I'll push down just a little bit. Help you out. Can't get it. I got the trees in between me and that entryway, so I can't see it too good from up here. But if you get them tagged, I'll just put shots out of the tag.
Contact!
Oh, he jumped down. Gas is closing behind us. Keep looking to the left.
Okay, go in there. Cancel that.
Are they still across the street?
Mark out, I'm going.
Let me know if they cross the street. Or what.
Cancel that.
Keep looking this way.
Gas is closing in. Relocating the safe zone.
Okay, this way. Which way do we gotta go? Oh, fuck
Moving.
me, huh? You ready to start moving? Guess we'll take them out on the way. Oh, you are not focused right now. You're not even here, are you? Oh, shit.
Oh, we gotta move.
Yeah! Thank you for picking up your headset.
You weren't talking.
I was. I said, let's go. I think we gotta move. Gas closing
No,
in
you
on
never
us.
said that.
I'm so glad I have this recorded so you can watch it on stream. Oh, guys, on the
I
first
can't
floor
help it,
over
your
there.
shit's all messed up. All I hear is an echo now.
Look, make up your mind. There's Abby. I don't see those guys. I'm right behind you. 60 meters behind you.
They're inside this building.
Okay.
Gas is moving.
So I can throw
Throwing smoke.
smoke way the other way and scare the shit out of them.
They're above me.
Setting Claymore.
Yeah, I hear them.
Throwing smoke.
They're right inside the door.
Third one.
got
I'm running.
Oh, he's right next to me. Oh, fuck, he's right there. He's right here. Coming back to you. Single, just a single.
You win this fight and you return to the front line. But if you lose, you're done here. You're up, soldier. Now go sort this fucker out.
What? How did I miss?
Looking a little worse for wear.
Bullshit, bro.
You're heading back to base.
I hate these fists and knives.
Your team
No way.
Get you too?
Yeah. Somehow all my headshots with a Vector didn't drop them.
Going on a mission, going on a mission. That should be a little bit better, right? Is it still echoing? Woo, baby! I'm so sorry that wasn't great recorded because I was looking at the menu, so I can't post it for you. But it looked good to me. Yeah, buddy. You get that contract, you get it good. If you want cut short, right here, right here. Start that clock.
Be advised, your teammate has been marked as a high-value target. Keep them secure.
You can do it. Oh. Hate that thing. Yeah. You can buy me back.
Okay.
Yeah. That sounds good. I did. Not that one though. Go that one. Left. Oh, that's not good. That's not good. Oh, behind you. Oh, right. Oh my God, you're all around you. Ah, behind you. Ah, behind you.
Every time this guy's sniping me with a zoomed in scope.